Good morning, everyone. Class 9. Today, in last class, we had seen the chapter expansion. In expansion, the two different types we had already seen. The first type, the expansion based on squares. The second type, expansion based on cubes. Now, today we have to discuss the third type, that is expansion of squares of trinomials. In the previous class we had seen expansion of squares of binomials, expansion of cubes of binomials. Now in the third type, today we have to see that expansion of squares of trinomials. Now see, let us see the example, or you can say the formula, the a plus b plus c whole square. Now today I have to explain how we have to derive the formula. A plus b plus c whole square, it means a plus b plus c we will multiply two times. The same bracket term I have written two times. Then a multiplied by the second bracket, b multiplied by the second bracket, and c multiplied by the second bracket. Now see individually, a into a square, a into b, ab, a into c, ac. Similarly in this bracket, b into a, ab, b into b, b square, b into c, bc, c into a, ac, c into b, bc, and c into c, c square. Now a square, this b square, and this c square, ab and ab two times. So 1 AB and 1 AB, twice AB. 1 BC and 1 BC, twice BC. 1 AC and 1 AC, twice AC. So this is the expansion of A plus B plus C whole square. Similarly, this same formula we can derive in some different form also. Only changes the sign. Now see here, A plus B plus minus C whole square. So by using the same formula we are explaining this. I am explaining this. A plus b and plus minus c taking under bracket. Now see, a square plus b square plus c square, 2ab, 2bc and 2ac. Now you can see, instead of c, in all the places I am written minus c, minus c, minus c. Now see, a square plus b square, the whole square of minus c square, 2ab plus minus minus 2bc plus minus minus 2ac. Similarly here also. So a, so you can see one thing, you can see here, before the c, minus sign is there. So if c is there and c is there, there only minus sign. Similarly here also, if b before the b, minus sign is there, so here and here we are putting the minus sign, and here also in both the places minus sign, before the b and before the c. So here will be minus and here will be minus. I think no need to learn this formula and this formula. You have to keep in mind this formula only, and by using this we can solve all the question based on minus sign also. Now see, the first formula I am written here, a plus b plus c whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Now see, in the last three term, in all the places 2 is there, 2 taking as a common, so ab is left, bc is left and ac is left. So this is also you have to keep in mind. Now see some problem based on this. Problem based on squares of trinomials. The question is that expand 2a plus 3b plus 4c whole square. The same formula I am written here. So you can suppose a is 2a, b is 3b and c is 4c. Now expanding the formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2bc, 2ac. The square of 2, 4. The square of 3, 9. The square of 4, 16. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. 2 3s are 6, 4s are 24. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. This is the expansion of 2a plus 3b plus 4c whole square. Now see one more problem. 5x minus 3y minus 2 whole square. You can suppose here a is 5x, b is minus 3y, and c is minus 2. Now using the same formula, a square plus b square plus c square, 2ab, 2bc, and 2ac. That's whole square of 5x, 25x square, 25x square, the whole square of minus 3y, 9y square, the whole square of minus 2, plus 4. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, and plus minus 30xy. Minus minus plus, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12y. Minus plus minus, 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20. Now see one more problem based on this. You can see the formula. Expand x minus 1 by x plus 5 whole square. You can suppose that here a is x, b is minus 1 by x, and c is 5. Now see, using the formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac, x whole square, x square, the square of minus plus the square of 1 is 1, and the square of x is x square, and the square of 5 25, and this x will be cancelled because it is in numerator and denominator, in between the multiplication sign is there. So minus plus minus, 2 1s are 2, again here minus plus minus, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, and denominator x, plus 2 5s are 10x. Now see here, the first two term is written same, and 25 minus 2 plus 23, the last two term is same. So this is the expansion of x minus 1 by x plus 5 whole square. Now see some more problem based on the same formula. Sometimes it may be given like that. See the question, if the value of a square plus b square plus c square is given, and the value of ab in plus bc plus ca is equals to 47, find the value of a plus b plus c. I'm written the formula. It's the same formula, the beginning, the fundamental and basic formula, a plus b plus c whole square. So I think you should know that a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. The first three terms written same. In the last three term, 2 is the common, 2 taking as a common, ab plus bc plus ca. Now putting the value, a square plus b square plus c square, the value of this term, I think 50, that is given in the question, and the value of ab plus bc plus ca, this value is also given, 47. So 50 is written same, and 47 into 2, 94, and add them, 144, and remove the square and put the square root sign, and the square root of 144 is 12, plus minus 12. This will be the answer. Now see one more question based on this. The question is that if x plus y minus z is equals to 4, now instead of a b c, now it is here x y and z, and the value of x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 30. Then find the value of xy minus yz minus zx. Now written the formula, x plus y minus z whole square, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. In the last three term, 2 taking as a common, and now putting the value. The value of x plus y minus z is 4, putting here 4 and taking a square, and the value of x square plus y square plus z square also given 30, and the last three terms written same. So the square of 4, 16, and transposing plus 30 this side, it will be minus 30, and the last three term is same, and 30 minus 16 minus 14, and from minus 14 cancel from this to minus 7 times. So therefore the value of xy minus yz minus zx is equals to minus 7. Hence this is the answer. So this type of problem, the last two problem, this problem and before this I discussed the problem, this type of problem is important for the examination point of view. Thank you very much.